AI plays a transformative role in optimizing CI/CD pipelines by enhancing automation, predictive analysis, and intelligent monitoring. Integrating AI into DevOps can lead to faster deployments, improved code quality, and enhanced security, ultimately streamlining the software development lifecycle. AI plays a transformative role in optimizing CI/CD pipelines by enhancing automation, predictive analysis, and intelligent monitoring. Integrating AI into DevOps can lead to faster deployments, improved code quality, and enhanced security, ultimately streamlining the software development lifecycle. One of the primary ways AI optimizes CI/CD pipelines is through automated code review and quality assurance. Traditional code reviews can be time-consuming and prone to human error. AI-driven tools can analyze code changes automatically, detecting potential bugs, code smells, and adherence to coding standards more efficiently than manual reviews. This not only speeds up the review process, but also ensures a higher level of code quality. In addition to code review, AI can significantly enhance automated testing. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI can generate and execute tests automatically, identifying edge cases and potential failures. This capability allows teams to focus on critical test scenarios while reducing the burden on developers. AI can also optimize test selection, determining which tests are most relevant based on recent code changes, thus minimizing testing time and accelerating the CI/CD process. Another critical area where AI contributes is intelligent build optimization. AI can predict which parts of the codebase are most likely to fail based on historical data and recent changes. This predictive capability allows the CI/CD pipeline to prioritize and optimize the build and test sequence, saving time and computational resources. Furthermore, AI can optimize resource allocation during the build process, ensuring efficient usage of hardware and cloud resources. AI also plays a vital role in enhancing continuous deployment. By analyzing various metrics such as performance, user feedback, and error rates, AI can make informed decisions about the optimal time for deploying new features. It can determine the safest deployment strategy, such as canary releases or blue-green deployments, and even manage rollback processes if certain thresholds are breached, minimizing downtime and user impact. Performance monitoring and incident management are other areas where AI shines. AI systems can continuously monitor application performance, identifying anomalies and potential issues before they impact users. Tools that utilize machine learning can detect and alert on anomalies in real time, allowing teams to address issues proactively. Additionally, AI can assist in root cause analysis when incidents occur, correlating data from various sources to pinpoint the root cause more quickly, thereby reducing the mean time to resolution. Continuous improvement through feedback loops is another significant benefit of AI integration in CI/CD. AI can analyze user feedback from various channels to identify common issues and areas for improvement. This feedback can then be integrated into the CI/CD pipeline to drive continuous improvement. AI-driven analytics can continuously assess application performance and suggest optimizations, ensuring that deployed applications run efficiently and effectively. Security and compliance are critical considerations in any CI/CD process, and AI can enhance these aspects significantly. Automated security scans powered by AI can detect vulnerabilities and compliance issues during the CI/CD process. Tools that leverage AI can continuously monitor and analyze code changes for compliance violations, ensuring that software adheres to regulatory standards. The benefits of AI integration in DevOps are manifold. Organizations can achieve faster delivery cycles, improved code quality, and a more resilient and secure software development lifecycle. By automating routine tasks, AI allows development teams to focus more on innovation rather than manual and repetitive tasks. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and collaboration. Moreover, AI can simplify routine development work by handling tasks such as writing boilerplate code, generating tests, and documenting code. This capability frees up engineers to concentrate on higher-value changes that drive product evolution. AI can also assist with code reviews and approvals by identifying relevant reviewers based on previous contributions and summarizing changes in pull requests. In conclusion, the role of AI in CI/CD is pivotal in transforming how software is developed, tested, and delivered. By integrating AI into CI/CD pipelines, organizations can optimize their processes, enhance collaboration, and ultimately deliver better software to users. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on CI/CD practices will only grow, making it an essential component of modern software development strategies. Embracing AI in DevOps not only improves efficiency and reliability, but also positions organizations for success in an increasingly competitive landscape. As organizations increasingly adopt AI in their CI/CD processes, they also encounter new challenges and considerations. One of the primary challenges is the need for high-quality data to train AI models effectively. AI systems rely on historical data to learn patterns and make predictions. If the data used for training is incomplete, biased, or of low quality, the AI's performance can be adversely affected. Therefore, organizations must invest in data management practices to ensure that the data fed into AI systems is accurate, comprehensive, and representative of real-world scenarios. Another consideration is the integration of AI tools with existing CI/CD pipelines. Organizations often use a variety of tools and platforms for different stages of the software development lifecycle. Ensuring that AI tools can seamlessly integrate with these existing systems is crucial for maximizing their effectiveness. This may involve customizing APIs, developing plugins, or using middleware solutions to facilitate communication between tools. Moreover, the implementation of AI in CI/CD requires a cultural shift within organizations. Teams must be open to adopting new technologies and methodologies, which may involve retraining staff and redefining roles. For instance, developers may need to collaborate more closely with data scientists to ensure that AI models are aligned with development goals. This collaboration can lead to a more holistic approach to software development, where AI is viewed as a partner rather than just a tool. Security is another critical aspect to consider when integrating AI into CI/CD pipelines. While AI can enhance security by identifying vulnerabilities and automating compliance checks, it can also introduce new risks. For example, AI systems can be susceptible to adversarial attacks, where malicious actors manipulate input data to deceive the AI. Organizations must implement robust security measures to protect their AI systems and ensure that they do not inadvertently introduce vulnerabilities into their software. Furthermore, organizations should be mindful of the ethical implications of using AI in their CI/CD processes. As AI systems make decisions based on data, there is a risk of perpetuating biases present in the training data. This can lead to unfair outcomes, particularly in areas such as automated code reviews or security assessments. To mitigate this risk, organizations should adopt ethical AI practices, including regular audits of AI models, diverse training datasets, and transparency in AI decision-making processes. The future of AI in CI/CD is promising, with ongoing advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and automation technologies. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that enhance the capabilities of CI/CD pipelines. For instance, AI-driven chatbots could assist developers in real time by providing code suggestions, answering questions, or even automating routine tasks based on natural language commands. Additionally, the rise of AI-powered observability tools will enable organizations to gain deeper insights into application performance and user behavior. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, providing actionable insights that drive continuous improvement in software quality and user experience. In summary, the integration of AI into CI/CD pipelines represents a significant advancement in software development practices. By optimizing processes, enhancing collaboration, and improving code quality, AI empowers organizations to deliver software more efficiently and effectively. However, successful implementation requires careful consideration of data quality, tool integration, security, and ethical implications. As organizations embrace AI in their DevOps practices, they position themselves to thrive in a rapidly changing technological landscape, ultimately delivering greater value to their users and stakeholders. The journey toward AI-enhanced CI/CD is not just about adopting new tools. It is about fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and continuous improvement. By leveraging AI's capabilities, organizations can not only streamline their development processes, but also unlock new opportunities for growth and success in the digital age. As we look to the future, the role of AI in CI/CD will undoubtedly expand, shaping the way software is developed, tested, and delivered for years to come. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence into continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines marks a pivotal advancement in the realm of software development. Thank you for watching.